Is the Happy Pancake worth the hype? We're in a place in American Mura, and apparently this place is popular because it's got fancy pancakes, and we'll be the judge of that. I feel like I was eating scrambled egg if I really thought about it. But it was light. It doesn't feel like you're eating a heavy pancake, even though they were massive and thick, didn't feel like you were eating a normal heavy wheat flour pancake. But really sat there and let you think about it. It felt like I was eating an egg with chocolate sauce, like maple syrup and cream. Probably wouldn't eat it again, but it was okay. It was good to try.
It was good, but it's not as good as people make it out to be.